is falling gently down on this quiet little town. I walk these streets where we used to be. Every drop brings back a memory. Your laughter echoed in the air. We danced without a single care. The world was ours, just you and me. Beneath the sky, wild and free. But time moved on, and so did we, leaving behind what used to be. But when the clouds roll in again, I feel your love in every rain. Dancing in the rain like we used to do, spinning round and round, just me and you. Though you're far away, I can feel you here, in every drop that whispers in my ear. Dancing in the rain, though the times have changed, your love remains in every drop that falls. I'm dancing in the rain. The streets are empty but I smile, 'cause I haven't felt this way in a while. The rain is washing all the pain, bringing back that joy again. Your hands in mine, your eyes so bright. We found our love in the pale moonlight. I close my eyes and you're still near. The sound of rain makes it all clear. Though seasons change and rivers flow, in this rain I still know our love's a song that never ends. It plays again when it begins. Dancing in the rain like we used to do, spinning round and round, just me and you. Though you're far away, I can feel you here, in every drop that whispers in my ear. Dancing in the rain, though the times have changed, your love remains in every drop that falls. I'm dancing in the rain. And as the storm fades into light, I feel the warmth of our goodbyes. The rain was once a bittersweet refrain, but now it's filled with hope again. Dancing in the rain like we used to do, spinning round and round, just me and you. Though you're far away, I can feel you here, in every drop that whispers in my ear. Dancing in the rain, though the times have changed, your love remains in every drop that falls. I'm dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain, feeling you again in the rhythm of the drops. We find our way. Love's a melody that the rain will play forevermore. I'm dancing in the rain.
I'll walk alone down this empty road. The silence whispers what I already know. Broken dreams scattered on the ground, but I keep moving, won't let it bring me down. And though the nights are long and the pain feels strong, I've got a fire in my heart, I'll keep holding on. I'm still standing even when it's hard to breathe. I'm still fighting even when I'm on my knees. Through the tears and the pain, I won't break, I won't fade. I'm still standing. I'm still standing. Lonely nights, feeling lost in Every scar, every fall I faced made me stronger, won't let it go to waste. And though the storm may come and I feel so numb, I'll rise again, I'll heal, I won't be undone. I'm still standing even when it's hard to breathe. I'm still fighting even when I'm on my knees. Through the tears and the pain, I won't break, I won't fade. I'm still standing. I'm still standing. I've been through the dark, but I found my spark. I won't let go, I won't lose hope. Every step I take, every move I make leads me closer to the place I belong. I'm still standing even when it's hard to breathe. Hard to breathe. I'm still fighting even when I'm on my knees. I'm on my knees. Through the tears and the pain, I won't break, I won't fade. I'm still standing. I'm still standing. And when the sun shines again, I'll be ready then. For the journey, for the fall, I'll rise above it all. I'm still standing. I'm still standing.